In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view and clear the site storage data being saved on the Google Chrome mobile app on your iOS or Android device. Basically, if you just want to manage the data being stored on the mobile browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the Chrome browser, and then go down and select the settings gear icon. And then you want to scroll down underneath Advanced, and you want to select the Site Settings tile. And then scroll down again. Select the Data Stored tile at the bottom. And then you can go ahead and clear the data being stored in this area by clicking the top right corner, that three-dotted icon. And you can delete this data by selecting Delete All Data at the bottom here. Alternatively, you can also just view the data here. You can delete them individually just by selecting them. And then you can delete them individually by selecting Delete Data and Reset Permissions, again, for any particular website in here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.